Covers was on his haunches and was blatantly tired. Billy Gilmore was a midfield player I've got on the bench. Other people can make what they want of that, but it wasn't I wouldn't be clever at 2-1 trying to actually see the game out. I've got faith in Billy to come through. I think he's going to have a big future. But we obviously we have an injury with N'Golo in midfield, who we all know is a fantastic player for us. So Billy's on the bench. Simple as that. As we know, we have a ban. The squad is what the squad is. I couldn't care less that we've got the youngest team in Premier League history. It was a real plus last week that it was the youngest in 24 or 5 years, and the fact that it's young today, I don't think it relates. I don't think it relates at all.